How to fix COD Modern Warfare split screen not working. 1. Ensure the second user is not signed in. If so, log out that account and join Modern Warfare later. 2. Perform a power cycle on your console or PC. 3. Verify the integrity of the game files. 3.1 in Steam. 3.2. Battle.net Launcher. 4. Clear the MAC address on your Xbox console. Path, Settings Alt. Settings Network Settings Advanced Settings option, the alternate MAC address option. 5. Reinstall multiplayer packs via the Manage Game and Add-ons option. See more info at https://www.xbox.com/n-us/game/store/modern-warfare-pack/c025x8rgxjwc. 6. Uninstall, then reinstall Modern Warfare app. 7. Contact the Activision support team for more assistance.